The Sundown Orange Bougainvillea is a tropical plant known for its vibrant colors and impressive size. If grown in zones 9 through 11, where it can be overwintered, this bougainvillea can reach a mature height and width of 10 to 20 feet, but is a true showstopper wherever it's grown. Bougainvillea are commonly known as paperflower plants, and from spring through fall, Sundown Orange attracts bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds with its bright orange flowers that fade to a deep salmon, while deer and rabbits typically keep their distance. Sundown Orange is a great companion plant with varieties like Coreopsis, black-eyed Susan, Salvia, Heuchera, and Veronica. If you're training it to climb, remember that it needs a little help. Attach the vines to a trellis or other support as it won't climb independently. Here are 3 simple tips for growing a gorgeous Sundown Orange Bougainvillea. Tip 1. Plant your bougainvillea in an area that receives 6 or more hours of direct sunlight daily. They love being in the sun. Tip 2. Fertilize your Sundown Orange with a well-balanced fertilizer once a month to keep it growing healthy and strong. And tip 3. While this paper flower can tolerate a bit of moisture from time to time, it prefers drier growing conditions overall. We hope these tips help your Sundown Orange Bougainvillea bring a burst of tropical color to your garden. Subscribe to our channel for more plant tips and advice, and happy gardening.